and Charlie are in the car. Say hello to the people. Hello. Papa didn't like it. Do you not like that?
What are you doing to my baby?
Is he not happy?
I didn't do anything.
What are you doing to my
I
baby?
said, can you say hello to the viewers? And he started crying. Because I used my voice to pretend it was his.
Don't you think he looks like a snowman today, Dave?
Yeah.
Wish I was a snowman.
Come down and play with me.
Oh wait, what are you doing listening to Capital Radio and not Fix? What have you done?
On the way home I listened to that.
Oh my god.
We like to listen to you, Dad.
What'd you do? Listen to Fix and then turn over at 9? Yeah, I like your style.
We don't want to listen to those boring other people.
Charlie!
Charlie, hello. Things are
Let me go. Go on, G.
Oh,
One.
it's still a bit on.
Look at this way. Where we go, shops? You want to build a snowman? Oh wait, it's been Christmas, Sage.
I know.
It's October, we can do Halloween.
Yeah, but we're going to get Christmas lights soon.
But we need to think about playing Halloween decorations up first.
Yeah, but
We don't celebrate Halloween too much.
We don't really do it too much.
We give sweets out to all the children.
That's what we like then.
No, I like to do Christmas. I want to get my lights up.
Put them up when?
I'll do
November?
them. Yeah, I'll do them. Well,
Ready
I'll do
for
them next
Christmas.
month. I'll get them up out of the way next month, and then all we've got to do is go switch, and we're going to have a big switch.
So, I've got a little plan coming up my sleeve for Christmas.
Go on.
We should do a little brief tour of what we got each other and wrap it ourselves up in Christmas pepper.
What?
Wrap ourselves up?
Yeah. So, lay yourself so it look like you're giving them an operation, and tell them to close their eyes with some goggles on.
Right.
Wrap them up in some colourful wrapping paper and put them on the Christmas tree. Sounds quite fun. Yeah.
You know we're quite big people.
Yeah.
Not going to lie, we're a big family.
We were bigger than our tree.
We're a big family,
well-
and we've all got big bums.
Okay, so what about Charlie? Maybe we could hide him up. He might suffocate in there. But...
Yeah, but you heard that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You heard that, you horrible sister.
Charlie's going to enjoy Christmas and see the lights.
I'm sorry, Charlie.
Now Charlie's got a hide there in Dorset. So
Yes.
he's ready for Christmas dinner.
Oh, is it the mum and papa got bag?
Yeah, he's ready for Christmas dinner, he said. Have you got all the heated seats on and everything?
I don't have it on.
Facility.
You want to build a
Using our
snowman?
facilities, mate. Right.
Where's the heated seats there?
Right.
Got them in the back.
Be good at shopping, so I don't want you playing up, mate.
Who, Charlie?
No, you.
Why me? Why is it all going back
Right,
to me?
Charlie.
Charlie don't play up. Charlie talks.
Is that road open yet?
You play
Ooh.
up.
Go left.
You plonker! What's happened?
I'll go right and left.
Don't cry.
Left and right. You want to go left and right?
Left and right.
Left
Okay.
and
So you're
right.
going to go left?
Mum says go left, we go left. Thank you, my darling. Because I both fit through there, but that's no drama.
Simply because that one.
Right here.
Yeah.
Then right.
Alright.
This way! Skirt, skirt! So, Charlie, you
Oh.
want to make a snowman?
So, do you know I got the pizza vending? I just thought about it at the end of this road.
Oh yeah, we said that.
You know I got
At the
a
hub.
pizza vending machine at the hub.
Yeah?
You need to come and have a look inside it.
I really want to.
See the robot.
Wait, I was thinking, is there a real robot in there? Is that saying count?
No, real robots.
Well, have you been in there?
Robotic people inside it.
No, have you actually been in there?
I haven't been in it yet, but that's how it is. That's what I've been told.
Do not go in there, as you're going to spoil it. I
No,
know
I'm
you won't.
going to wait for you.
Okay. Well, so what day?
Come on, my love. I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to get the key.
When?
I'm going to
Special code.
figure it out.
I forgot
Bedtime
the
then.
whole code, so I just can't tell anyone.
Black card.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you know what I've got to do? I've got to take Frank out with his mate, bring him down here, because his mate really wants to try one of these pizzas.
They're really
Yeah,
good.
little Teddy.
Oh yeah.
And I said to him, because we've got a black card for it, we get free pizzas for life.
He's like, no.
He's like, right, he said, you'll be his best. So I said, you know what, I'll bring him down here and we'll get him a nice little cheeky pizza.
And they only take 2 minutes, don't they?
3 minutes, isn't it?
Well, not even
90
that.
Yeah, 3 minutes I think it is.
Yeah, look, order
180.
under 4 minutes.
Oh, 4 minutes.
That's good.
Yeah.
They're tasty, delicious.
Tasty pizza.
Yeah.
They got a big plan coming out, she said. I'm getting involved in it.
What's that?
They're going to be making history.
Do you mean?
They're installing one of them in a place where no one's ever installed one before. So they're making history, and it's going to be very exciting.
Didn't you say that on radio?
No.
Why did you say think that on radio?
Huh?
And I remember you saying.
Oh, I spoke about it on radio, sorry, yeah, but not about that, but yeah.
And I remember you saying someone's got like a, called working van in a shop.
A what?
A working van. Like, it's like a comfort van, but it's got work, like...
Oh, that was on the way back from Chelsea.
I can say that what she's talking about.
Is that what you're talking about? When I said to you they got this kebab van inside the shop?
Inside the shop.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Doof.
Remember some mad thing.
I know.
That's why I took the bin the other day to hospital.
Actually?
Yeah, he hurt himself, fell down the ramp.
What did they say?
They fixed him, sent him on his way again.
Oh. So don't give him any bandages?
He had bandages, yeah.
Ooh.
And then he head-butted another bin. And then we ended up at the police station.
What did the police say?
They give him a caution.
I bet they know what they said.
What?
Nice and nice. No, let's do it again. So you repeat the whole thing again. So you go to the doctors, and they say, nice and nice. No, let's do it again.
Sage,
Yeah.
do me a favour.
Yeah.
Cut.